Hello, I hope you all will be fine and doing good. Today we are going to discuss about singular and plural nouns. Means there are many singular and plural nouns where we use singular verb and plural verb. So let's come to the point. But if you are new in this channel, do subscribe my channel. Okay, like those words which are plural and takes a singular or plural verb. The first one, like some nouns have only a plural form with s and takes a plural verb like clothes, goods, belongings, arms, congratulations, contents, customs, earnings, goods, surroundings, thanks, troops. Now these all are words which takes plural verb. It means with these words we can't use singular verb. For example, the clothes were in the suitcase. Means I can't say this that the clothes is in the suitcase. Yeah, the clothes was in the suitcase. It will be wrong. So the clothes were in the suitcase. Clothes is plural noun, but it takes a plural verb. The goods have been sent to you directly. Now here I can't say this that the goods has been sent to you directly. It will be entirely wrong. And the other example, like my belongings are all picked up in suitcase. The troops were coming back from search operation. And the second point, some nouns have a plural form with s but takes a singular verb like news, economics, mathematics, physics, politics, statistics, athletics, gymnastics, darts, and measles. These all are words where we use singular verb. For example, the news was so worst. Now here I can't say this that the news was so worst. It will be wrong. Mathematics is a difficult subject. Now I can't say this that mathematics are a difficult subject. Note, works and headquarters take either a singular or plural verb. Now here works hints to a factory and the headquarters means a main office. It can with these two words we can use either a singular or plural verb. Like the steel works have closed down. Now here the steel works has closed down, the steel works have closed down. Both are right. Means the works and headquarters. With these two words we can either use singular or plural verb. So I hope you have gotten today's lesson. If you have any query about this lesson, please freely ask in comment section. Okay, see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.